Sir, you have been the defense minister, you have been a brigadier in army, and you were the ADC to the President of India also. For territorial army, we have come to you to request to be the patron of Territorial Army Foundation. So, I would like you, if you can speak a few words about it.
I would like to be associated with you, but not an office bearer. Number one. Including your ministers, excluding my minister, Mr. R. Venkatraman, and the former defense minister, Sardar Swaran Singh, they hardly know what the territorial army is all about. So therefore, first thing is to two people who understood. One was George Fernandez, one was Pranab Mukherjee, and one was Mr. R. Venkatraman, my minister. And Indira Gandhi had immense faith. That is why the ecological TA is her concept. I only implemented it. She bypassed my minister and called me because Mr. Norman Borlaug had Indira Gandhi's correspondent. That is how we started 127, your battalion, with regular officers. Later on, it was my younger brother, Colonel C.P. Singh Deo, who was a TA officer who commanded it.
Yes, sir.
And 127 got the Indira Gandhi Paryavaran
Puraskar
Award.
Yes.
We got it from Indira Gandhi, and that time Kamal Nath was the environment minister. General Moti Sagar and so many people have lauded this project. People came from Israel and other countries to study what our 127 ecological TA was. Today, 127 has changed the entire landscape of the hills, the limestone quarries, which was being run by limestone mafia.
Masuri.
We must compliment you, our gratitude that you have saved that entire Doon Valley from erosion and from natural causes which would have happened had it not been afforested. People are coming from all over the world to study, Israelis particularly, Americans, to study how the Indian Army has raised the ecological battalion TA. How many people in India know it? If Israelis and Americans can come, what is our Indian fellows doing?
But now after that TA, there are another 9 units. That's all because of this TA that you raised.
Sorry?
There are 9 TA units working on ecology. That's all because of this one TA that
It
you
all
started.
happened during our time.
Yes.
In fact, the then chief of staff, what's his name, who died while playing golf, short fellow, Ahmad Ko, used to play cricket with us.
Jan Sundarji?
Ahmad Ko, second lancer, from Southern Command he became chief. I opened one in Pithoragarh because he belonged to Pithoragarh area. We did it one in Samba.
Yes.
The first year, ecological one in Bikaner,
Yeah.
one in Dehradun. So all during my time.
Sir. We'll be blessed if you be with us.
No, I'll definitely help you whether I'm an office bearer or not. I will not say no to you, a brother TA officer. Yeah? I'm a paratrooper. I can jump from I'm the first THF to be first MP and first TA officer to do the
Parabasic.
to qualify as a paratrooper because Jagjivan Ram couldn't understand the language. What is parapay? And President B.V. Giri paid by indemnity bond of 5 lakhs. I went to para holding wing and I qualified as a paratrooper. And along with me was a chap from second paras, Ravi Ayappa. I still keep on talking to Ravi Ayappa. His father was an ordnance officer and he is Field Marshal Cariappa's niece's son.
Thank you, sir.
Hey!